Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by running a full site crawl and getting access to Search Console and Analytics. Do this now. Once done, export CSVs of URLs, status codes, meta descriptions, and hreflang. Make sure to tag high-value pages as priority 1, 2, or 3 so you focus effort where it pays. Also, submit the XML sitemap and verify property linkage. These steps let you measure impact as you change things. Start fixes on the top 10 priority pages immediately. Now tackle indexing and performance issues. You should fix broken 4xx/5xx responses first, implement 301 redirects for moved pages, and restore any critical content. Then audit robots. TXT, Noindex, and canonical tags to make sure search engines see the right URL. After that, improve core web vitals by compressing images, enabling browser caching, deferring non-critical JavaScript, and using a CDN. These changes reduce load time and boost crawl budget. Recrawl updated pages to confirm improvements. Finish by validating schema, hreflang, and canonical implementation so search features work properly. Next, run log file analysis to see what bots actually crawl and identify wasted crawl on faceted or low-value pages. Make Search Console and Analytics dashboards to monitor indexation, impressions, and core web vitals trends. If something breaks, check recent deploys and roll back if needed. Quick rollback is often the fastest fix. Finally, set alerts for traffic drops, 4xx/5xx spikes, and CWV regressions to catch regressions early.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.